Guys, this is FX Mesh here, smashing it. What is going on, guys? Yeah, welcome back to my channel, to my subscribers, and also for those that are visiting my channel for the first time. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Now I'll be going through a few pairs I took last week, starting from trading day 12th of June to February 16th. I took a couple of pairs and I'll just try to explain a few ones I took during that time period. Now, NZDJPY was the first pair, one of the first pairs I took, and it played out to quite a good extent. What I did was I didn't risk much. I risked a 1 to 3 risk reward, which was fantastic. So what happened was that the price has been I would say this price has been moving a little bit tricky around this area. So what I did first of all is to mark key levels. I mark these areas, this key level of resistance and this key level of support, key level of resistance or support. It depends on the direction in which you are looking at the market from when it comes to this level. Now I followed the price in the previous weeks building up to last week, which is this week between 12th and 16th of June. Now when the price had cleared itself to make kind of a push to the upside and retested this level, after breaking this level, it went up to clear this zone, and you can see three bullish candlesticks aligning, just pushing clearly to the upside. And what happened? There was a retest. Now this retest was giving me a confirmation that I will be taking a buy, because you can see consecutive or consistent bullish rejection candles, and these candles are rejecting this level, meaning that it's giving me more buying opportunity signals. And after the price has pushed to the upside and giving me these rejections, weeks rejections here, then after this candles closed, I entered from here, and it took a while for the price to actually give me a good profit, a risk to reward here. Now I was very happy to see that price has been holding this particular level. I'm marking now, and I could see that the lower low, the lower high were pushing to the upside. So that was also one of the confirmation and time, and it took like 1 2 3 4 5, that's one day. That's 6 of these candlesticks is one day, because we have 4 hours for one candle. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is like a day. Took a day, and I think a day and a half or something like that, a day and 8 hours for it to hit TP, and that's how it was smashed. So it was just a simple break and retest. Price went up, retested, and started pushing to the upside, but moved sideways just like this. Went up, retest, broke this level, retested it, and started pushing to the upside before it hit TP. So at this 0.56000 point. Now the same thing, price after hitting here, I think I marked this one. I think I didn't take this one, but I took this one. I won this one. So price hit here and reacted here. It showed a significant consistent rejection here, but you can see weak rejections here. And after that, it pushed to the downside and came to hit this level again. So it shows that this level, and this level, especially this level, is a strong level. And because this level is a strong level, I was waiting for price to see what's going to happen, and I just marked it. And I said, once price go up and closes, I will take an entry up here. So price came after price has done this, carried out this execution and closed. It came down again, bounced, and once this candlestick closed, then it was how I marked this one, and it's in profit somehow. Now this level being strong was also seen in the past, because that when each prime price got to this level, there's always something that happens. Price got here, you can see I circled here already to show that price went up here, came back, came up again, retested this candlestick here and pushed to the upside. So this area is a strong level. Price went up, came back again to the same level, and you can see why that's why I circled it and came up again, then finally broke it and came back again to retest it, but came back again to, after breaking it, played around here for a long time, came up again and retested. So this area has been a very strong area. So when we are trading, we always try to make sure we mark areas, very strong areas of where price has been reacting. It's very important because it helps us to analyze properly going forward. Now our next pair will be AUDCAD. This AUDCAD, let's see, yeah, AUDCAD. AUDCAD, I took this pair sometime in the week, and I remember that the price, the pair actually came out very fine. I remember that the price had broken this level, came down on a bearish channel, making higher, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. When it got here, you can see this pin bar here. The next candlestick was here after this one. This candlestick alone showed that the price is going to push to the upside. If price did not make an attempt to push upwards, I would have been looking for a selling opportunity around this area. But what price did was to give 3 consecutive bullish candlesticks to the upside and broke past this channel. And when it broke past this channel, I took a breakout. I used the breakout technique here, and you can see that as soon as price broke out here with this pin bar, I just started to take a buy, and my TP was 0.90949. I didn't want price to hit this place. I just want to be sure that I'm able to come back to this same major structure here, to be able to analyze, to see where my TP will be and make sure I hit my TP correctly. And that's what the price did. It just takes a bit of patience, and just like that, 1 2 3 1 2, it took about 1 2 3 about 45, almost 1 hour to hit TP. So that's how it all went. AUDCAD, let me show you the entry I took in that regard. You can see, no, not this one. AUDCAD. I'll find the AUDCAD. I'll just leave it alone. I was explaining breakout there, and AUDCAD. So you see the AUDCAD here, you can see it. Yeah, so this is how it was when I entered. You see, I entered from after price has broken out from this particular level. I could see that price, I was using a simple break and retest technique where price breaks past a level, come back to retest the level, and start giving candlesticks in the direction of the trend, which is a bullish trend. And after I broke out from here, then I just took a buy, and you can see what happened, and it started pushing to the upside. You can see the momentum, and this thing really happened. This push really happened. This bullish push really happened very fast, and you can see at the point 0.90947949, sorry, and that's how I hit TP, and that is what you can see on the screen here. So I won this one as well. And also, let's just look at NZDJPY. I think I did something there. This NZDJPY, I think I also took this one as well. But what I was doing this week was I didn't risk much because I was not too sure of the market. It's very easy to explain the price action when the price has already has already concluded its move. Now, what I'm trying to say is that why me explaining this is very easy, but when the price is here, when the price currently is here, it's very difficult to actually determine exactly where the price is going, except you are able to use a structure or a principle that you have, a strategy rather, that you have already mapped out for yourself. I use simple break and retest, I use breakout, I use Fibonacci retracement tools to measure what I want to do. Now I used simple break and retest. Now I knew first of all I identified on this NZDJPY that price, I identified the trend first, and I knew that the trend is pushing to the upside. So while trend was pushing to the upside, creating higher lows and higher highs, higher lows and higher highs. When price got to this level, it came back to the test. It broke this level. It broke this level. Came back to retest this level. When I saw candlestick pushing to the upside, then I entered from this point, and you can see that price, it took a while for price to actually move to the upside and hit TP. So that's the same way I did for other pairs. I traded breakouts and simple breakout retest. Now I will just be ending this video here. I don't want to make it too long. Going forward, NZDJPY, it appears JPY pairs are going to be even hitting and moving further in the bullish direction. I'm expecting price to actually first of all break this level. Once price come up here, I'll wait for a retest of this level to now begin to look for buying opportunity. So I'm going to be very patient to see that price is able to do what it wants to do, but I will not be surprised if I see that price is going to be forming double top here, and even a hit to the downside. So what I want to do carefully is to draw a trend line through here to clearly identify where exactly price is headed. Trend line. Then once price break past this level, I will be waiting for a retest. Break past this level, break past this level, break this trend line, come back to the test around this area, then I'm looking for a selling opportunity. But whichever way, I will be seeing how NZDJPY goes. This is FX Mesh here, smashing it. Always remember to trust the process. Peace out.